I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up auto buy and sell on Binance full guide. Start by verifying your account, enabling two-factor authentication, enabling API access, and funding the wallet so automation has capital to use. Next, create a clear strategy, set entry, exit, stop loss, and take profit rules, and backtest or paper trade to confirm the settings work for your risk profile. Follow along and pause to try each step. Choose order types based on your goal and market conditions, and match them to your automation strategy. Set quantity, price targets, and time enforce options to control execution and avoid surprises when volatility spikes. Schedule recurring buys, strategy triggers, and conditional rules while monitoring fees and liquidity to ensure orders fill as expected and your plan remains executable across different market states. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides like this one. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long screens, jittery markets, and cold coffee. They stay comfortable no matter the trade heat. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Risk management is essential when automating trading, so you protect capital and sleep better at night. Define max position size, daily loss limits, and per-trade risk percentage, and program automatic halts when thresholds hit to prevent runaway losses. Regularly review logs, adjust risk based on performance, and keep emergency manual controls ready so you can intervene if market conditions change unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.